Hi there, all my students, all my scholars, all my learners, all my parents of learners, all my neurodiverse brains, without exclusion of the neurotypical ones. Welcome to Schoolwork All-in-One Fun with your autistic mentor and teacher, Isabella Jansen. Now, I know it's time for books down, but like I said, we cannot relax that much. Now, today we're going to discuss a opsomming in Afrikaans. Oh, a summary in Afrikaans. Scary. The moment we hear summaries, we go, and even if it's Afrikaans, it's a worse feeling. Alright? We don't like summaries, full stop. But we have to do it, full stop. Okay. Now, if we approach a summary in Afrikaans with the correct approach, it's going to be so easy that that's going to be one of your favorites. Now, let's see, how do we start? 98% of the time, or I always also want to go to say 99% of the times, in Afrikaans, they will ask you to summarize wenke. Now, wenke means tips. That's the first terminology word that we have to know. Wenke beteken tips. That means something that you have to do or something that you don't do. You must not do. So, if I have to summarize wenke, as ek wenke moet opsom, gaan ek my sinne begin met jy moet of jy moenie. I'm going to start my sentences with I must or I must not. Jy moet of jy moenie. Now, Afrikaans additional language, or my first additional language, Afrikaans students, remember, I never bullet. I always number 1 to 7. They will always ask us 7 tips. Not 6, not 5, not 8, 7. And I'm not going to bullet, I'm going to number. Ek gaan nommer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And danger for first additionals. No paragraphs. First additional Afrikaans, dis net 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nie paragrawe nie. One sin per number. One sentence per number. That means I need to check it. All my 7 sentences needs to start with a capital letter and needs to end with a full stop. Remember, if there's no full stop, that means it's not a complete sentence. Then it cannot count as a fact. Okay, so this is what I know. They will always or most of the time ask me to summarize wenke in Afrikaans. Wenke is tips. I must start my sentences with jy moet, something that you have to do, or jy moenie, something that you don't have to do, a tip. I'm always going to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One sentence per number. Starting with a capital letter, ending with a punt. Okay, now, I got that. Now I've got the text in front of me. Where do I start now? Easy. Take your pencil. Divide your paper into 2. Right. And number accordingly. Nommer gelyk. Nommer 1 en aan ander kant nommer 1. Alright. Nou, lees jy jou eerste sin. You read your first sentence. And every sentence that you read, ask yourself the question, does this sentence tell me something I must do or I must not do? If you can't answer the question from that sentence, that means you're going to leave it. It's not a fact. Okay. Now, kom ons sê vir voorbeeld, example. They ask you to summarize wenke oor hoe om veilig op 'n fiets te ry. How to drive safe on a bicycle. Né? Wat moet jy doen? Watse tips moet jy doen om veilig te wees op 'n fiets? Nou begin jy lees. Nou sien jy die eerste sin sê: dit is belangrik om veilig te wees op 'n fiets in die aand. That's the first sentence. Now you ask yourself the question, is that something I have to do or I don't have to do? No. Okay, skip that one. Now you read the next sentence. Now the next sentence says, jy kan baie helder kleure dra. Now you ask yourself, is that something I must do or not? Oh yes, I must wear bright colors. Alright, on your left-hand side, you're gonna write down the fact just as it is. Jy kan baie helder kleure dra. Okay. Now, can I do this sentence just like that? No. Why not? Because then I'm quoting. I am not summarizing. But what is my recipe? I just start my sentence with jy moet. So on your right-hand side will be the final. Jy moet helder, bright kleure dra. Number 1, done, quick and easy. Nou lees jy verder. Dra altyd 'n valhelm. 'n Valhelm is 'n helmet, né? Wanneer jy op groot paaie ry. Now I ask myself the question, is that something I have to do? Oh yes, nee, I have to wear a helmet. Okay. On the left-hand side, I write my fact down as it is. Number 2, and I number accordingly. Now my fact says, dra altyd 'n valhelm. Little bit of vocabulary. Valhelm helmet. As jy op groot paaie ry. Okay. Can I copy my sentence to my final just like that? No, because then I'm quoting. What's my recipe? I need to start with jy moet. Easy. Jy moet now what's my vocab word? Valhelm op groot paaie dra. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Number 2, done and dusted. And so we go on. Number 3. Number 3. Now I read my sentence at number 3. Nou sê my sin vir my by nommer 3. Right. Dit is sleg om in die nag te ry. Alright, is that something I have to do or I don't have to do? I ask myself the question. Oh yes, I must not do it. Nah. Okay, so dis 'n tip. Alright. Copy my fact. Dit is sleg om in die nag fiets te ry. Alright. Can I copy it over just as it is? Because then I'm quoting. Wat moet ek nou doen? Ek moet begin met jy moet of jy moenie. Nou number 3 sê vir my iets wat ek nie moet doen nie. I must not drive at night, nee. So I am going to start with jy moenie, nee. Jy moenie in die nag fietsry nie. Done and dusted. And now we go on chiri, 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 until we get to number 7, until we get to number 7. And what is the last stop that I do? I cancel. My left-hand side, that serves as my planning, and my right-hand side is then my final. And my English, this can serve as your planning, because what are you going to do? You are only going to take your facts and write it then in a paragraph. En dit is hoe maklik 'n opsomming in Afrikaans is. Wenke, tips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nou bullets. Jy moet or jy moenie. You must or you must not. Divide your page into 2. Nommer. Left hand side the fact. Right hand side jy moet of jy moenie. Finish with number 7. Cancel your planning. Count your words. It will always be 70. And there you go. Shot. 10 out of 10. And this is how easy a summary is. Practice that summaries. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a subscribe. Because we are preparing for the final. And until you see you again, be good, be safe, and be wise.